Hi, my name is David Gomez. I currently run a solar energy provider that operates in Texas and California. I have a deep background in mortgage loans, having worked at Countrywide Home Loans. I've been a loan officer, a loan broker, a mortgage lender for approximately 14, 15 years. So when I first got interested in mortgage notes, I bought all the books that I could get my hands on and read about 8 to 10 of them. But I couldn't find anything that explained how to structure a purchase bid to purchase a note in a way that made sense, to make the numbers make sense. Everything was based on bidding on the UPB, the unpaid balance, and obviously having a mortgage background. I understand that a 3% loan is not the same thing as a 12% loan. So you can't bid them the same based on UPB, because if you do, you're going to get a wildly different outcome. So it wasn't until I came across David Putz and Nathan Turner that I heard someone talking about using mortgage math to come up with a number to bid on a specific yield or ROI in mind. That's what had been missing for me, just looking through all these books. So I signed up for their course, Advanced Note Investing Training, and they went really deep on the mortgage math behind putting together a bid to purchase a note. And that made me feel really comfortable because I understand the math portion of it, and it makes sense. Then it's not an emotional decision, it's just based on numbers. Either it fits into your particular buy box, what you're looking for, the return you're looking for, or it doesn't fit. So that made me feel really confident and comfortable. Also, their loan calculator is extremely good and strong, and they help you build your own loan calculator, which will help you put together bids as well. I wholeheartedly recommend their course. I'm really excited to now be learning from them. They're good guys, and they really know what they're talking about. So I recommend it. Thank you.